A covalent bond is a type of chemical bond formed between atoms when they share one or more pairs of electrons. It's characterized by the sharing of electrons between two atoms, resulting in the formation of a molecular compound. Covalent bonds are prevalent in organic molecules as well as in many inorganic compounds. Let's break down the concept of a covalent bond with an example. Consider the molecule hydrogen gas H2. Hydrogen gas consists of two hydrogen atoms bonded together. Each hydrogen atom has one electron in its outermost shell. To achieve a stable electron configuration, each hydrogen atom needs one more electron. Instead of gaining or losing electrons, hydrogen atoms share their electrons to complete their outer shells. In the case of hydrogen gas, each hydrogen atom shares its single electron with the other hydrogen atom. This sharing of electrons forms a covalent bond between the two hydrogen atoms. The shared electrons are attracted to both nuclei, holding the atoms together in a stable molecule. This sharing of electrons results in each hydrogen atom having two electrons in its outermost shell, fulfilling the stable electron configuration of helium. The covalent bond between the two hydrogen atoms in H2 can be represented using Lewis dot structures. Each hydrogen atom contributes one electron to the shared pair, represented by a single line or dash between the atoms. Another example of a covalent bond is found in water H2O molecules. In a water molecule, each oxygen atom is bonded to two hydrogen atoms. Oxygen has 6 electrons in its outer shell and needs more to achieve a stable configuration. Each hydrogen atom contributes one electron, forming two covalent bonds with the oxygen atom. The shared electrons are represented by lines or dashes between the atoms in the Lewis dot structure of the water molecule. Covalent bonds can vary in strength depending on the atoms involved and the number of shared electrons. Some covalent bonds are stronger than others, depending on factors such as the electronegativity of the atoms involved and the size of the atoms. Additionally, covalent bonds can be polar or nonpolar, depending on the electronegativity difference between the atoms sharing electrons. In summary, a covalent bond is formed when atoms share one or more pairs of electrons to achieve a stable electron configuration. This sharing of electrons results in the formation of a molecule, held together by the electrostatic attraction between the shared electrons and the nuclei of the atoms involved. Examples of covalent bonds include hydrogen gas H2 and water H2O, where atoms share electrons to form stable molecules.